Hello medical fans, this is Watson, and today we're going to talk about our most popular and least popular topics. Please comment below with your opinion. What do you want more of, and what do you want less of? Also, congrats to our Medical King channel, which just surpassed 150 million views, and our case study channel that just hit 60 million. One of our most popular topics is ear blackheads, and one of our ear blackhead videos got 5 million views in 2 years. You're watching a few of its highlights. Click like if you're a fan of ear blackheads. Videos about Dr. Mike never really took off on here though. What do you think, folks? Do you want more Dr. Mike videos? You're also watching highlights from our earwax removal video that got 4.1 million views in the past 5 years. Meanwhile, our weight loss videos like this never got popular. This got only 200 views in its first week. However, kudos to Thynergy. I actually use it, and it helps me get the most out of my workouts. Viewers also enjoy tonsil stones and tonsil stone removal videos like this. What do you think? Now a quick word from Thynergy, and stick around because I'll show you a bonus video about pimple popping. Ooh.
Hey guys, what is up? Tori Suicide here. I want to give a big shout out to everyone who is using Thynergy to help lose some weight. High five to you guys. If you're not using Thynergy, what are you doing? It is a great way to keep slim and trim, really awesome to implement into your regular exercise and fitness goals. So check out Thynergy and let me know what you think.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.